A Volkswagen Beetle moves at an initial velocity of 12.0 meters per second. So, given, write that right up here, 12.0 meters per second. It coasts up a hill with a constant acceleration of negative 1.60 meters per second squared. So acceleration is minus 1.60 meters per second squared. When it says it coasts up a hill, that means it's slowing down here. And whenever you have a velocity in the up direction, right, because we're moving up with a positive initial velocity, and the acceleration is opposite, that means you're slowing down. So the question is, how far has it traveled after 6.00 seconds? So in this case, we want to find a distance. So we want to find x. That's what we're trying to find. And we're going to say we start at x0 equals 0. We're always free to say that. So what equation do we want to use? Well, that's going to be the second kinematics equation. And we'll write that here. V0t plus 1/2 at squared. So let's get a little more room here. What's our initial position? We say it's 0. And you don't have to put units in when we're doing this. Our initial velocity is 12.0. Although, you know what? Let's put it in anyway. This will make sure everything cancels out. What time? That's going to be 6 seconds. And I will shorten that by taking off the second 2 zeros. Because what we're looking for is our answer should have 3 significant figures, just like the givens. And then plus 1/2. Then our acceleration is minus 1.60 meters per second squared, and that's times the time, 6 seconds. But be very, very careful here. That has to be squared. Okay, that's 1/2 at squared. And also notice the negative in front of the 1.60 for the acceleration. So now we do the math. You multiply these together first. You multiply this together, again, making sure you keep the negative sign there. And we square the 6 seconds. And we get an answer of 43.2 meters.